So I bet you didn't realize there were monster trucks at the first Christmas. Hey guys, I thought I'd do a little get unready with me, and then do some unboxings from some things I got in the mail. There are some That's what kind of day it's been like. I can't say the word vlog right now. Okay, so there's some vlog clips that I shot. So I'm gonna go, I wore a little bit of foundation today. I had to go to the office for a couple hours. I'm gonna take that off with the Siam Seas Mecca Cleansing Balm.
So since I got these products in my box Walla box in October, I've just been obsessed with them.
So it has been really rainy here on Maui for the last week. So rainy this past weekend that we had to take the kids to the mall to get their exercise. Plus, I love to go to Macy's during Christmas time. It's really our only big department store, and they had so many Christmas ornaments out.
Gosh, how is their Christmas stuff already 60% off?
Oh, go, go, go!
You want to go down, down, down?
Go, 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 go!
I wish I'd been mentally prepared all this stuff was going to be on sale.
So I've gotta admit that I've been drinking way too many gingerbread lattes lately. It's not good. And I have been addicted to a toning at night with the Josh Rosebrook Hydrating Accelerator. It smells wonderful. Then I'm gonna follow with the Sea Elements Siam Seas Balm. You know, like I said, my skin has been doing so well on this stuff that, like, I don't see really a need right now for me to do anything else other than use this at night because it's so good. It has the most wonderful, grounding, earthy smell. Okay, and now the lady, her name is Supadra, who created this line. She recommends following it. Normally you, like, because this Twilight Be Calm serum has aloe vera in it, like, it was my normal intuition to just apply that first and then apply the balm on top. However, she says it's better to apply this on top of the balm because there's something about the way it transports it into the skin. I was a little hesitant at first, and now I just do it that way because everything's been working good. Everything's been feeling wonderful, and that's that. And I do that same routine every night. If my skin has any variance in it, then I do a mask, and I pretty much mask every night except tonight because I am so tired. So I decided to take a quick shower and make myself a cup of tea. And of course I had to light the fire. So I wanted to share with you too some Christmas cards I got in the mail. The first one was from Shannon of Pages and Polish. If you've never checked out her channel, go do so. She is one of my YouTube favorites, and she's been a friend since the very beginning of when I was on YouTube. So yeah, I love her videos. She's just one of the sweetest persons. Then the next one is from Karen of The Unwilling Vegan. She is also a friend that I made at the very beginning of being on YouTube, and she is just amazing. I love her spirit, I love her spunk, so it was so fun to get her card in the mail. Thanks, friends. And then, so probably, I don't know how long ago I placed the order. One of my favorite green beauty Instagrammers, her name is Nicole. Her Instagram handle is Capranick. She writes the blog Organic Obsessions. She posted about this book about green beauty coming available. And if you were one of the first couple people to order, then you were gonna get this special surprise in your box. So I got this international box today. It shipped from London, and I thought it was something else I had ordered as a Christmas present for someone, but I opened it up and I was like, oh my gosh, it's my book. And then so I started to open it, and I realized it was packed with goodies. So I thought it would be fun for us to unbox it. So the name of the book is The Nature of Beauty by Imelda Burke. And Nick from Capranick really recommended it as it's about organic skincare, botanical beauty rituals, and clean cosmetics. It was a very reasonable price. It was $20, and they shipped it to me for free. Plus I got some surprises, so let's check out what I got. Okay, the first thing is the Supreme Moisture Mask by Unready. So some of these, like I said, it's shipped from the UK. So some of these brands I might not have heard of before, which is super cool. Looks like that's made in France. Pretty good size, 5 mLs. Then a little John Masters Organics bag. Let's see, I cannot believe that for $20 I got this book and all these treats in here. This is insane. Ooh, rose and apricot hair milk. Another good size, 30 mLs. John Masters Organics is pretty expensive. Ooh, and 100% argan oil, 3 mLs. It's pretty good size. Wow, I'm blown away right now. This is insane. Okay, there's like more treats. Welleda Birch Cellulite Oil. Let me tell you, I can use that. 10 mLs. This is a crazy, insane deal. Here's a little package. Oh my gosh, it just keeps going. More Welleda Skin Food. Aurelia Probiotic Skincare Botanical Cream Deodorant. A Little Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Booster Serum. A package of eye cream from Daphna's. That's not a brand I've ever heard of before. A perfume sample from Dr. Alkalitis. Oh, it's part of their facial elixir. RMS Ultimate Makeup Remover Wipe. More Welleda. Ooh, Nappy Change Cream. Cool. This is, oh my gosh, May Lindstrom the Blue Cocoon. Holy cow. This stuff is so expensive. This is a humongous sample. Like, I can't even take this right now. This is insane. Skin and Tonic Calm Balm. Ooh. A sample tampon. Can always use those. a sample of the Pi Rosehip Biogenerate Oil. That was similar to what we got in our Petit Boar box. And a beautiful flower notebook. Wow, with flowers inside? How pretty. Oh my gosh, and here's the book. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the cover. So cool. So I've got 3 books right now that oh my gosh, I cannot wait to read this. All right, I'll see you guys Monday. Bye.